How to fix Snapchat failed to send. First thing, open the settings. Go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. When you click on Snapchat, now all what you want to do is click on this force stop and then click on the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back and now click on the power usage details like this. Click down here on this force stop. After that, click on the data usage right here and make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Now, all what you want to do next is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat and update it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.